Now children, we are moving to question number 9. Question number 9 is Mrs. Verma has to water the plants in her balcony. The water pipe is 98 cm long while she requires a pipe of length of 2 meter. How much more pipe does she require to add to her original pipe so that she can water the plants in her balcony easily? So there is a question that Mrs. Verma has a pipe of 98 cm but she requires a pipe 2 meter long. So how much more pipe she needs? Okay. So how much more pipe she will need? So we will subtract this 98 centimeter from 2 meters and then you will get required length of the pipe. Now let's start children. Write the statements. So the statement will be length of original pipe. So 98 centimeter. Now length of pipe she requires. Okay, 2 meters, no? Therefore, length of pipe she requires to add to her original pipe. How much extra pipe she needs? So we will subtract this 2 meter and 98 centimeter. So 2 meter minus 98 centimeter. Now we will do here subtraction children. So you make here two columns, meter and centimeter. Now under meters you write 2 meter. But there is no centimeter, so place here 0, 0. Now you have to subtract 98 centimeter. So under centimeter column you write 98 and there is no meters, na? So you put here 0. Now start doing subtraction children and you will get 1 meter 2 centimeter. So our answer will be 1 meter 2 centimeter. So this much extra pipe she will purchase. She will add to the original pipe and then she will get the pipe of length 2 meters. Okay. Now move to question number 10. Mr. Iyer went to his hometown in the south, which is 180 km 900 meter far from his current residence. Current residence means where he lives at present. He covered 95 km 840 meter by train, 56 km 240 meter by bus and 19 km 145 meter by car. Find the distance still remaining to be covered to reach his hometown. Okay. Now I will explain this question using the figures. Distance from current location to his hometown is 180 km and 900 meters. Okay. Distance covered by train is 95 km 840 meters. Distance covered by bus 56 km 240 meters. Distance covered by car is 19 km 145 meters. So total distance covered by train, bus and car. So we will add these three numbers. These three distances we will add and we will get how much distance he has covered till now. Okay, by bus, by train and by car. Let's understand this question by using this figure. Here children, suppose it's the current location and it's the hometown. Okay. Now distance between the current location and the hometown is, yes, 180 km and 900 meters. Now he has to cover distance from here to here. By train he has covered a small part of 95 km and 840 meters. Now again by bus he has covered this part. Suppose 56 km to 40 meters. By car he has covered this part, that is 19 km and 145 meter, but still this portion is left. Okay, this much distance is left. So this distance he will cover. He has to cover this distance now. So how much distance is left, you have to find it out. So we will add these three distances and we will get how much distance he has covered till now. Okay, so we will add these three and then we will subtract from the total distance. Clear? So we are adding these three distances. Look at here. Now this addition you will show here children. Make here two columns, kilometer and meters, and then you add. So we are getting here 171 kilometer and 225 meters. So write here children, 171 kilometer 225 meters. This is the distance covered. Okay. How much distance he has covered? So we are getting 171 kilometer, 225 meters. Now children, we have to find the remaining distance. Okay, this distance, how much distance is left? So we need to find this. So what will we do? Yes, we have added these three distances. So we will subtract the total distance covered from this distance. So now let's start. Here statement is remaining distance to be covered to reach his hometown. So the total distance was from the hometown to from the current location to the hometown was 180 kilometer and 900 meters. So we are subtracting here this value, that is 171 kilometer and 225 meter, which is already covered by train, bus and car. Okay. So this we will subtract. Subtraction we will show here. I am making here two columns, kilometer and meters. So write 180 kilometer and 900 meter. And now we are writing 171 kilometer and 225 meters in the next line. Now start subtraction children. On subtraction we will get 9 kilometer 675 meters. So this much distance is left. Yes, Mr. Iyer has to cover this much distance more. I hope it's clear children. Okay. Now this exercise is over. Now rest of the questions which we have not done in this video, so you have to make by your own, and all these questions you will note down in your note copy. Now I am giving you the hint for solving rest of the questions. You may use that. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Take care.